Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So 2020 has already had a lot of changes for us, but in terms of education, it's going to be even bigger changes. Like so many others, my uni is going to be completely online, and a lot of us, including myself, have never kind of dealt with that before. We've never kind of experienced online school. All of a sudden, we the students are going to be fully in charge of our own schedules, and it's going to be up to us to make sure that things are getting done. With that being said, I thought it could be helpful to tell you guys how I personally have prepared myself and organized myself for online uni this year. So I have my trusty laptop right here, and I will be showing you a few different things that I have done to hopefully make my life a little bit easier when it comes to settling into like online uni. So first of all, I thought I could show you guys how I take my notes. So as you can see, I use Google Drive. And this is because it saves up a lot of space that otherwise would just be on my laptop, and I don't really like the thought of having a bunch of folders and space taken up on my laptop. I'd rather have it all online. On my drive, I have different folders for each year of uni. So I have uni year 1, uni year 2, and now uni year 3, which is the one I'm going into. So if you click into uni year 3, I have a few different folders within that. So I have one folder for each module that I'll be taking. I have a fourth folder which is called Academic Planner 2020. Can't speak. And if you go into one of them, you will see that I have documents labeled as lectures, which is obviously where I will be taking all my notes for lectures, seminars, and then another, either sometimes a folder or sometimes a document, depends on what I need, but that's labeled assessment, and that's just where I will keep all of my stuff for uni. So if we go into one of my documents within this, you will see at the top it'll say what the document is, so like lectures, seminars, whatever, and then the course it's for, or module it's for, sorry. And then at the top again it'll say week 1 or week 2 or whatever, and then the date, and then underneath that I'll then say what that lecture's topic or like title was, so that I can kind of organize myself, and if I go back and try to find something, I can easily find it either based on the date or based off of what week it was or based off of what the title was. So for my uni at least, we have basically week 1 is week 1 of us having lectures, so that is week 1, and then you count that, so it's not like the calendar week 1, so to speak. So I prefer to keep everything online because, like I said, it's easy to find. Even if like my laptop crashes, I can find them on a uni computer or anything like that, which is why I like using it. But if you are into using notebooks, which I do have notebooks specifically for uni, just in case it's like something like I need to draw something or a seminar task requires me to do something on paper. So yeah, if you're into using notebooks, I would definitely recommend using ones that have sections like this one does. So this one is divided in sections like that, and basically one section for me is one module. So secondly, we have planners. So I have 2 planners. I have a physical one, which is this little blue one, really cute, off of Amazon. And I also have one online. So the physical one kind of has all kinds of fun stuff in it, as well as uni deadlines, so it kind of holds everything. And I carry this around with me most of the time. So my online one is just academic. It only includes academic stuff, so like deadlines, when I have seminars, seminar tasks and stuff like that, to remind myself to keep on track. Both my planners are color coordinated because I like it that way. They have systems to them, and I like that it's colorful and nice in that way. So for my physical planner, the color kind of signifies if the thing that's written in it is a task, an important deadline, or a meeting, or if it's like a fun activity, like meeting friends. Whereas my online academic planner has different colors depending on which module the thing kind of correlates to. So for example, as you can see in my online planner, International Marketing Strategy is pink, International Marketing Communications is purple, and Triple E, the Enterprise Value Challenge, is in blue. So anything that correlates to those is those different colors. And then I have deadlines in red, and for the deadlines I'll just kind of write out like for short what they're for, because I normally know what it correlates to. So that's how the colors kind of coordinate both in my physical planner and my online planner. So for my online planner, again, you can see that it is week by week. You see the dates, you see at the top it will say what month it is or what month it's changing into that week. And then if you scroll all the way down to the bottom of my online planner, so it's a big thing that says assessments, and then it says each module and what assessments each of those modules has. So each module for me this year has 2 different assessments. You can see what I've written down here. It's just kind of the week, what it is, and a bit of information about it if I know it. So the biggest change this year is probably going to be the fact that you don't have to physically show up for lectures at a certain time. So for us, at least, seminars are live, but lectures are pre-recorded, meaning that you're able to watch them in your own time when you actually want to, which again means that you'll have to be structured enough to actually do it. For myself, I have set up sort of a schedule, like a weekly schedule, and this is just preliminary because I'm not sure exactly what lectures are gonna correlate with what seminars and so on. So this is just for right now. It's looking like Mondays are gonna be kind of lecture heavy because I have 2 seminars the day after that I'll need to be prepared for. Tuesdays are gonna be seminar heavy, and Wednesdays I'll prepare for Friday's seminar and also do something that I haven't included ever before, which is assessment work. So a lot of the stuff that I've showed you so far is stuff that I have been using and been doing for years. This part, however, is new to me. So basically, assessment work is just me trying to fully understand an assessment, what is required of me, what do I need to know, and kind of me making a plan around how to go about the assessment. And further down the line, this will also be the time that I put aside to actually write and do my assessments or research for it or whatever I need to do. So basically, a summary of a typical week for me is just going to be a few study-heavy days at the beginning of the week, which hopefully means that I'll have most of like Thursday and Friday off. We are going from being held accountable for being at lectures and seminars to having something like this where you will be in full control, and it will probably be difficult, and that's why I thought that why I'm trying to kind of structure this up for myself. So yeah, I really hope that this video has been helpful to some of you. If it has, please don't forget to give it a like and maybe comment down below what your tips are for going into online uni. Have you experienced this before? Have you been doing online like classes and courses before, or is this completely new to you? But yeah, let me know in the comments below, and I can't wait to catch you guys in my next video. Bye!